In front of me is Samsung Galaxy XCover 7, and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. You need to begin by locating the voice recorder app and clicking on it. If you never used it before, click on while using the app and allow. Then, before starting recording, tap on those three dots at the top right corner. Now select settings and adjust all of those options however you want to, like quality. When you're ready, go back and tap on this red button at the bottom to start recording. Then select Allow in the notifications pop-up. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same middle button. To listen to your recording right away, pause it, swipe it, and click on Play button on the left. To add a bookmark, click on this little bookmark icon. And to end and save your recording, click on this square on the right. Finally, you can name your recording and hit save. As you can see, mine was successfully added. If you want to play it, click on it. In order to delete it, hold it. Tap on Delete at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!